Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we have a Beyblade X Wizard Arrow. Yeah, this is recolor one because why? Well, to save my money because my economy is not that great. I kind of bankrupt nowadays. So yeah, here we go. We have Beyblade X Takutomi, of course, the Wizard Arrow for 18 ball. So it's the same stock combo with the original color, but this one is it just recolor, but same stock combo. So yeah, here's the back. Yeah, again same stock combo as the original. It doesn't have multi here because this is recolor, so there's no owner for this recolor. So yeah, stamina type logo and yeah, everything. So yeah, here's the base. Wizard Arrow. Let's go one by one. So first we have the bit, which is ball. Well, this guy is basically just, yeah, it's just ball. Yeah, here you go. He just ball. Yeah, same tip as what is it? It's a Rock Leon, I guess. Yeah, it's the same thing as Rock Leon. So they somehow make this guy a stamina type. So yeah, I don't know. This should be defense type, or it's really stamina type, I guess, because the fact that stamina need to spin more. So I think ball is good, I guess. I don't know. What do you guys think about this bit? I'm not really sure, but I think it's good for stamina. I mean, balls have a lot of stamina, defense type, right? With that really good in stamina, such as atomic. Yeah, atomic is really good in stamina. He have a lot of stamina. So yeah, maybe this will work. I don't know. And next we have the ratchet, which is 418. Yeah, the same stock combo. So yeah, it's the same as lightning. So yeah, and nothing much to say. You have 4 sides. So yeah, it's pretty tall also. It's easier to burst. So that's it. Next we have the start of the show, Wizard Arrow. Okay, so wait a minute, let me send this back. Alright. So yeah, the avatar looks pretty sick. You kind of do like a thing, or maybe just do a magic like like that. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I actually love the design, but yeah, it's red. So I'm not really sure about this, but it's looking pretty great with red, I guess. I'm not really sure, but you guys can see the bow design here, and arrow design. I guess this is arrow, I guess. So yeah, it's pretty clean. I mean, I like the design here. Look at this. It's kind of defensive. So yeah, this guy also pretty tall and pretty thick. Yeah, I don't know. I think this could be a good defense, I guess. I don't know. Honestly, this design is pretty sick, man. Look at it. So yeah, let's assemble this and what? Alright. So yeah, let's go to test spin and test battle. Let's go. Whee! There you go, guys. Wizard Arrow. I forget. Ball again. Test spin. Wow, it's a stamina type. It's amazing. The stamina type. Stamina, night shield. Arrow. Shield. Okay, it's arrow versus shield. Defense versus stamina. Wait, multi versus multi. Wow, it's a good hit from both. Wow. Oh wow! Oh wow! Down to. Good hit, both of you. Good hit. Wait, you look. Don't look at me, please. Whoa! Woo! Amazing. Okay, round 3. Wow! Come on. Ooh, wow. Okay. Pretty good hit. Whoa, looks nice. It's a night show. Next we have Nightland. Sure. I think we both have same height. Oh wow! Lens versus arrow. Whoa, look at that. Wow, so with the smart lens. Come on, Axe. Come on. Wizard arrow. Do the spell. Wizard magic. Helsa, yes. I forget the name. Wait, give me a second. Good. Which one? Oh shit. Whoa, that's amazing hit by my man. What's his name again? Oh, Helsa. Yes, Helsa. Come on. Ooh. So this is manga accurate battle, I guess. Wow, it's a freaking manga accurate battle. Oh my god. So battle between red and red. Oh my god, that's pretty good. Crazy, powerful hit by what's his name again? Oh, Helsa. Yes. Come on, Helsa. Beat him. Destroy him. Cancel his spell. Wait, magic is no more. We have time. Oh wait. Wow. Great sword. So attack time have advantage here because you have stamina time. And now he's spinning around the stadium, and he will lose his lot of stamina and die and lose. Yes, this is not a good strategy, and I need better X Stadium. Why I don't buy it, I don't know. I can buy it, but I want to save my money, and that's why I buy this bag, because it's way more cheaper. That's it. Alright, shoot! Good hit from health. Then a good hit. Oh no, he missed the hit. No, he missed not a hit, bro. Wait, what are you doing? What is this? Wizard Perry? Yeah, there you go. Good hit from here. Okay. Let's see why you have. Why your name is like Wizard Arrow? Oh wow. Oh no, Racer, please. Yes, this is why you need. I need sediment. Can anyone sponsor me this? No? Okay. So yeah, there you go. We have this situation again. I should stick launch, and this guy will do rush launch like Valkyrie, because he have Valkyrie shape. And do you guys know this guy have brave Valkyrie shape? If you do comparison, you guys will see. 3, 2, 1, shoot! Let's shoot! Come on, hit him! Grand sword! Wow! Amazing. So that's all for my boy, Wizard Arrow. It's a pretty good bait, and it's pretty strong bait. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, should you buy this? I don't know, but yeah, this guy's pretty OP. Not gonna lie. So I love the shape actually. So yeah, bye.